What's up, guys? I'm Lego Guy 1600 with something cool that 8-Bit Hero and his brother picked up for me from Colombia. Yeah, I haven't seen them practically the whole summer, so I'm making a video now. Anyway, this is on a custom Batman figure. It's kind of a knockoff because you could see it pretty much has the Lego logo right there. But yeah, so we have that to open up, and we also have this really cool Happy Meal McDonald's Batmobile toy to check out. So 2 toys in one video. Let's unbox the Batman. Alright, so once you open up the Batman package, this is what's found on the inside, the contents that can be found on the inside, and we also do get some pretty cool trading cards. So yeah, anyway, I really like these little trading cards. So let's open up Batman right quick. Just tear that package open. And if you guys missed my last video, you should definitely check that out. The BB gun one. Yeah, we had a lot of fun with that. So okay, it looks like we have to put in the arms and hands. So let's do that. So, yeah. And 8-Bit Hero's brother is here with me as well. We're mainly here for his birthday, so that is cool as well. And yeah, so this is a knockoff. This isn't like those custom minifigures we had the last time. That was by a really nice company called, I think it was LBJ. That was a really nice company. The Dragon Ball, they made the Dragon Ball, and they also made the, what's that show called? Gosh, I forget. But, yeah, so. One of the things I love about this Batman, it completely betrays everything Batman's about, which, that's actually kind of funny. Look, I only work in black, and sometimes very, very dark gray. Yeah, well, he comes with a silver Batarang. That is awesome. It's not black, it's not very, very dark gray, it's silver. That is awesome. Hashtag rebel. I got one rule, I don't kill. But he comes with a gun. Yeah, that's hilarious. Alright, let's give him his accessories here. And then we'll take a look at him. Oh, wow. This is hilarious.
That's where the logos come from China.
Don't look at me. Yeah, well, he comes with eyes. And look at this. They even forget to print the logo information that the other figures clearly come with on their bases. It even shows it right here. That is funny. It really is. Alright, so we have Batman built up. And, okay, so here's the Batman actually. Yeah, just looks like your regular black Batman, and he also comes with this like weird material cape. It's like a really thin paper. So moving on, we have the McDonald's Happy Meal toy. Let's open this up. Oh, and also I forgot to mention the trading cards that are included. Let's take a look at that before we open up the McDonald's Batmobile. Okay, so here are the cards included. We get Robin, we get a shot straight out of Batman, Lego Batman 2, and this one also. So yeah, pretty cool cards. You can see they even put the Robin logo backwards. Alright, moving on. We have, like I said, the McDonald's Batman Unlimited Batmobile toy to check out. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here's the toy. Pretty simple instructions here. Just pull back and let go. So apparently it's one of those pull back let go toys. And there's also a game, I guess, and a coupon to save $3 on the Batman Unlimited Monster Mayhem DVD, which I will be picking up. Alright, so there goes the car right there, and it is pretty nice. So Anyway, comment, like, subscribe, don't forget your favorite. I will see you guys next time. Bye, and thanks for watching.